If you're trying to figure out whether RunwayML or Artreader is better for creating visual content, you're in the right place. Both have their strengths, but there are some key differences that could make one a better fit for your needs, depending on what you're looking for. Stick around to the end because after comparing these two, I'll give you my personal recommendation for a tool that outperforms both when it comes to visual content creation. Let's start with RunwayML. It's a versatile platform that's been gaining a lot of attention, especially among creators and marketers. One of its standout features is its ability to easily integrate with other software like Photoshop and Premiere through its API. This makes it a powerful tool for professionals who want to bring AI-generated content directly into their workflow. Another cool aspect is the real-time collaboration feature. You can work with a team in real time, making it ideal for group projects. It also offers a variety of pre-trained models for specific tasks like image generation, style transfer, and even video editing. Next thing, Artreader. Artreader is a little more niche, but it has its loyal following, especially in the world of digital art. The platform shines when it comes to creating unique images by blending existing ones. You can take a portrait, landscape, or any image and merge it with others, tweaking various aspects like color, shape, and texture. It's super intuitive and easy to use, which is perfect for beginners or anyone who doesn't want to dive deep into the technicalities of AI. But while it's great for creating realistic portraits or landscapes, it lacks the advanced capabilities that RunwayML offers in areas like video editing and motion design. The fourth thing, user interface. Both tools have decent interfaces, but they're not perfect. RunwayML's interface can be a little overwhelming at first because it packs so many features into one platform. If you're a complete beginner, you might find yourself a bit lost. However, the upside is that once you get the hang of it, you'll realize it offers a lot of flexibility for complex projects. Artreader, on the other hand, is much simpler. Its user interface is minimalistic, which is a positive if you want to create something quickly without getting bogged down by unnecessary options. But this simplicity also means it's limited in terms of customization and control. The fifth thing, pricing. When it comes to pricing, both tools offer free versions with limited access. But if you want to unlock the full potential of either platform, you'll need to upgrade. RunwayML can get pricey, especially if you're accessing premium models or working with video content. Artbreeder's paid plans are generally more affordable, but its capabilities might be too limiting for serious content creators. So, while you get a lot more bang for your buck with RunwayML, it might be overkill for those just looking to play around with images. Here's where it gets interesting. If you want a better alternative, one that combines the best of both RunwayML and Artreader, there's a platform I'd recommend that offers advanced features, an intuitive interface, and is more affordable than RunwayML. Plus, it has superior flexibility for visual content creation without the steep learning curve. After testing both RunwayML and Artreader extensively, I found that these two tools are good, but they didn't meet my expectations for what I was trying to accomplish in visual content creation. If you want a tool that gives you everything you need without the hassle, take advantage of the free trial linked in the description below. By signing up through our link, you'll get access to exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Trust me, you won't want to miss this opportunity.